Hey you guys, welcome back to NenesEats. I'm your girl Nene, and today, you guys, your girl got her hands on some crawfish. I'm gonna tell y'all, I've been craving these. I've been watching people eat it all week long, and I am so ready. So let me tell you what I have. Crawfish, some yummy, yummy corn. Oh, can't wait for that. I have some hard-boiled eggs. I have some hot sausage links. I have some cucumbers, B-Love sauce, of course. And then I also have two-time, one-time sauce, just in case I want to get spicy with something. I don't know. And then I also have lemonade and green tea, which I am going to make an Arnold Palmer. Let's shake it up. They've both been in the freezer, so it should be nice and icy and yummy. I just figured a nice sweet lemon tea, you know what I'm saying, would be perfect for this meal. It's gonna be. I'm excited. How's everyone doing? I miss you guys so much. I gotta fix these lights. Let's do this. I think that might be better. We'll see. Okay, you guys ready? I know my girl Tam's Table will appreciate that. I got a thing for Arnold Palmer's. I know other people call it other names. What other names do you guys call that? The lemonade and tea? I want to know. We call it Arnold Palmer's. Let me say my grace, y'all, because I am hungry. I'm starving. Here we go. Father God, I'd like to thank you and praise you for this meal. I sanctify through your word and prayer, and I cast out anything harmful to me. In Christ Jesus' name I pray. Amen. You guys know what time it is. Are you ready to see the close-up? Check this out. Yes. Did you guys see that? These mother suckers are huge. Look at this dude. This dude is huge. He's huge. Gigantic. There's a couple of them that are huge. There's sausage. Let me stop talking about the food and eat the food. I want to start off with the cucumber. Y'all, I am starving. That was a good bite. I don't suck the heads, y'all, sorry. Where you go? Ooh, yummy. Yeah. Yes. When I tell y'all I'm starving, I mean it. I have been fasting since 7 o'clock yesterday. Since 7 o'clock yesterday. And the reason I know is I remember I was eating, what did I eat last night? Oh, you guys know those cute little kitty dinosaur nuggets? I bought those for Nene. He loves them. Jojo too. Bought those for them, and so I fried up some of those and made some potato salad and barbecue baked beans, and I posted it on Instagram. Look at this egg, beautiful. And so I remember when I posted it, it was like 6:30 something, 6:36 I want to say. So that's how I know I've been fasting since then. And the thing is, that's crazy is, well, it's not crazy. You guys know I've been fasting for a while. You kind of have to be in a mukbang. You're like, for real, you can't eat 2 or 3 times a day. I mean, you can, but not me. I told y'all before, I had my last child, and I am done gaining weight, unnecessary weight. So I'm fasting. Anywho, my mother-in-law's. See, I gotta fix this lighting. My mother-in-law's church are fasting right now. So there's a couple of things I could, I've prayed about, and, I can use some answers and stuff right now. So they're fasting from 12 to 12. But, I mean, I don't eat at midnight, so. But my hard part about fasting from 12 to 12 is usually after the gym, which is around 10:30ish. I come home, and that's when I start making my husband's lunch for work. And that's usually when, his food smells good, so I usually just make something for myself. Like yesterday, you guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow your girl on Instagram. Like, for real, I made this yummy salad. It was loaded, you guys, with everything: bacon bits, cheese, red onions, cucumbers, carrots. I want to say that's it. I don't. And then the dinosaur nuggets. I fried those bad boys up. Yeah. And put it on top with some croutons. And then I used barbecue sauce and ranch as the dressing. It was so good. But I couldn't have it until noon. And I'm like, come on, 12 o'clock, come on, 12 o'clock, I need you. Because like I said, I'd be trying to eat like around 10:30, 11-ish. So when I tell y'all that I dreamt about this crawfish, I dreamt about it. Woke up craving it. Knew what I was having today. This sauce. And 12 o'clock started coming. I was talking to my mother-in-law. I was like, it's almost 12. It's almost 12. Oh. If you guys have never had an Arnold Palmer, get yourself some sweet tea and some lemonade and mix it. It's just the perfect blend. I haven't even had it. Bless me. Excuse me. Oh, and they're burnt just right. Not on the other side, just one side, you know. Yeah. I can't even voice to you how satisfied I am right now. Super duper satisfied. This is what I wanted. You ever get that meal that you just be craving? And then once you get it, it's like, oh, yes. Yes. Like I felt that way the other day when I got that Popeyes. Did you guys see that video, the ASMR first person video? A lot of you guys liked that video. And a lot of you guys liked seeing JoJo on the pizza video. I think it had a lot to do with it being Pizza Hut too, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not complaining. Ooh, wait. Whoa, you got some big old claws. You probably got meat up in there. Did I drop any other good claws? Y'all know I like my claws. Okay. But, oh, yeah, see, I knew it. Huge. Excuse me. Because I'm eating too fast. That was a good claw. Where'd the other one go? Here it is. Perfect. But yeah, a lot of you guys liked the Popeyes ASMR video. Like you guys were like, yay, I'm happy you did this video. I've been waiting for you to do this version of ASMR. You know, they were happy to see it because AB came in and said that she loves it. A lot of you guys did actually. Thank you guys for coming in and watching. I appreciate you. So that might become a part of the regimen, y'all. Like for real, and I'm gonna be honest with you because your girl was able to wear some shorts and a t-shirt and no makeup and, and just eat. I didn't have to talk, nothing. I do want to get my nails done before I do that again though. I was was like, girl, you look like you got some man hands. Well, not man hands, but they could have used a little polish. Ooh, come on, baby. This one's a little overcooked, that's why. But I actually have fun doing it. Like, why not? I get to eat and you guys were happy with it, so that's about to become a part of the regimen. Actually, with it like that, I mean, it's a little dark, but you can see the food better, huh? You girl. You guys, your girl's gonna fix all this. But I feel like I gotta sneeze again. I know deep down inside that Just because it's not perfect doesn't mean quit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, the lighting's not perfect. Okay, the camera's not perfect. But we here. Mm. Mm. Oh, you got me. You know, as long as I'm here, as long as you guys are here, everything else will come. I want to save him for last. He is gigantic. I got some spice up my nose. Now let me tell you, there's going to be some challenges coming up, y'all. There's some challenges I want to do. I'm excited about all of them. I still want to do, because let me say, I saw you, Miss Parchment's World. I saw you, what's my girl's name? Coco's Cravings. I appreciate you guys for tagging me in the Say Cheese Corey Ball Challenge. Sounded like I heard one of my kids. They're taking a nap. So I will be getting to that one very soon. Also, I saw Tam's Table yesterday. She has her 3K. Congratulations, Tam's Table, babe. She, I believe, yes, it was 3K. Yes. She reached an awesome milestone, and she came up with a challenge. It's called the Get Dressed in the Dark. Get Dressed in the Dark. I want to do that challenge. That looks like fun. She did it with the hot dog. It looked fun. Egg. These eggs are scrumptious. Good source of protein too. I'm sure there's tons. I want to. There's tons of challenges out there, so I'm gonna start doing some. Get back into the neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? I lost my train of thought. I was saying something to you guys. You guys know I got a storage problem, so I had to fix that. Hopefully it stays long. If not, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for coming into my video. I appreciate you so much. I just said that. Why am I saying it twice? But I do. I love you guys so much. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to hit that little subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I drop videos like these. Sometimes I go live, sometimes I do vlogs. Speaking of that, I need to do some more vlogs for you guys. Because yes, I'm still going to the gym. But I've been focused at the gym. You know, like, how do I describe it? I'm not going to the gym to play. You know what I'm saying? So, that's good. So, like, when I get there, I do a couple of little snaps on Instagram. And then I get to my workout. But I know that a lot of you have come back to my into my DMs and have been asking me like, oh, where's your vlogs? Because it was motivating them. Which is awesome because you guys motivate me. So. And the fact that I need to lose the weight. That sauce. It's spicy, but it's good. Corn. So beautiful. Everything's so yummy. I was talking about something though. It's gonna be so good. Oh. I was talking about how everything's not always going to be perfect. He is big. Even when you think that everything is perfect or close to perfect, you know, you can have the best state-of-the-art laptops and cameras and lighting, and you know, you'll record a whole video and your sound was off. You know, so I mean, it's never perfect, you guys. I appreciate you guys here bearing with me in my lighting. It's gonna get fixed very soon. Not even worth it. I want to move on. I was talking to you guys about challenges. There's so many challenges going on. Speaking of that, are there any challenges out there that you guys want to see me do? I would love to hear, like, you know, because I'm sure you guys probably see more challenges going on than I do. So if there's a challenge that you want to see NenesEats do, let me know. I want to know. I want to see. I want to do it. Like, for real. I only got one egg left. The eggs are so good. Starting to get full. My son Nigel will be so happy to eat this. And I'm back. So good. Don't be wanting the corn to be done. Chop Queen is back, y'all. Did you guys see the Chop Queen? She's back. Woo, woo. She ate crawfish the other day. That's what, well, a couple of people. This spice. I'm gonna be in the middle of giving a shout out and choke. Anyway, yeah, it's Tosh Point Fro, Cuzzle AB, Chop Queen. Everybody was having crawfish this week, and I'm sure there's tons more. Yeah, so good. But yeah, my girl Chop Queen is back in the house. Yeah, I totally feel her. For those of you who like follow her and know, she took a break, a long break. Uh-oh, JoJo's awake. Hold on one second. Take what, 4, 5, 10? Whatever. Okay, so yeah, she was, basically saying what every mother says, every mother that does YouTube and takes a break. You kind of, once you take a break and it becomes a day, then it becomes 2 days, then it becomes a week, and then you kind of get back in the swing of being like mommy mode. And not saying that us being YouTubers, we're not being good mommies, because I'm sure all of us are. If anything, we're working double as hard. But I don't know. That's when, like more time, just more time for the family. And then, you get to make soccer games and you get to make, this is not what she said. This is what I'm saying. And I'm saying that I understand what she was saying. That, you just get more mommy time and wifey time and, work. She still works, stuff like that. And then you get caught up in that game, if you will, you know what I'm saying? Because YouTube is a game, everything's a game, we're all got goals and we're trying to reach them and get to them, and, so it kind of gets to the point where it's like, I'll do a video tomorrow. I'll do a video tomorrow. I'll do a video on Saturday. You know what I'm saying? And then it becomes a month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. How long was my break? I believe my break was 3 weeks. And it's well needed. It's well deserved. Well needed, well deserved, to be able to focus on one thing and not 20 things. You don't have to, y'all. YouTubing is fun. Don't get me wrong. I would not be sitting here doing it right now if it wasn't. But it's a job. Once I get off this video with y'all, I have to clean up this mess, which is not much because I'm a good cooker. Like, the kitchen stays clean while I'm cooking. Anywho, clean up this mess. Then I have to sit down and edit this video. Thumbnail, music, edit your video. Upload it, now it's up. So now that it's up, you have to promote your own video. So now you're on Instagram, now you're on Facebook, TikTok. That takes time, that takes hours. Now you get a little bit of time to catch up on a couple of your friends' videos, and now you're answering comments, and you go to sleep, and hopefully you do it again tomorrow. If not, you do it the following day for sure, hopefully, and then the same thing over. And it's consistent. And we're not even talking about the kids and stuff yet. We're just talking about YouTube. So in between all that, you're making dinners and lunches and doing chores and laundry, and it's a job. But I love it. I've worked. I am making a mess. I've worked. And I couldn't ask for anything better to be home. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, that's huge. But anywho, my girl Chomp Queen's back. I like her and her brother. Especially when they do like spicy challenges or something. I know what I was talking about the last time the phone cut off on us. I was saying how I'm gonna start getting more involved in the community again. Not saying that I stopped. Oh, these spices, y'all. Going up my nose. A lot was going on in these streets.